Welcome to one of the most historic neighborhoods in the historic area of Phoenix. FQ Story, baby. We're about to take a tour through this 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home with a guest house, pool, pretty move-in. This home, they kept a lot of the original features, which makes it super exciting, makes it a really fun tour. Wait till you see what you could have bought in 1925. Welcome to the Story Edition. So I'm super excited to be out here today. This is the FQ History. This is the FQ Historic District in Phoenix, Arizona. So it's a pretty desirable area, not much for sale up in here, and when it comes on, it goes. This amazing home is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom with a guest house with a pool. And it was built in 1925. So this home right here, as you walk through, you're going to see a lot of amazing original details. They did do some updating in here, but they kept the prestigious designs, the bookshelves, the bathrooms. They're all so fun and unique, and all that was preserved when they remodeled the home. That's what makes it kind of fun. And as you can see, the neighbors' homes are all super adorable, and it's just a great little community. You'll always see people out here walking and exercising and talking, and always different things going on out here in these historic neighborhoods. So I'm pumped up to show you this one. I hope you're excited to see it. And again, if you haven't done so already, please make sure you like, subscribe, follow my channel. We are posting throughout the valley weekly. Every couple days you should see a new video that pops up with a new home tour and a new location. Hopefully this is the one for you, but if it's not, please reach on out, comment below which area you're thinking of buying in. We have older homes, newer homes, homes that need to be built. It's basically, I'm out here to service you, help you find the perfect home in Arizona. So this particular home has this wonderful, very large porch. So you have a lot of places for seating out here, and it's a great size. They do have those really cute French door features in the front. And you do have covered parking. So in Arizona, it is always nice to have some covered parking in the summer. And this home does have an RV garage out here. And again, this is a 1925 beauty that just got listed. And we're around 1,900 square feet on the main home and just over 350 square feet in the guest house. So let's check this bad boy out. All right. And again, we've got to appreciate the lights, the fireplace, all the unique details that definitely show you the age of the home. So lots of character in these older homes. And I've been doing a lot of tours down here in Phoenix lately, and mostly the historic area, because it's very different, very intriguing. It's not the same homes you're going to find in all the different areas out here. So this is pretty unique, a pretty unique area that I just want to share with you out there to see if this is something that could work for you. If you're from the East Coast like myself, you love older homes like this. This is what we're used to. This is what we grew up with. I know my parents' house was built in 1900 and they still live there. So it's definitely an oldie but goodie. All right, so as we walk on through, this is a single family home. And it has pretty good room space. The family room is very large right there. And then you have this formal dining area back here. And again, you could stage this however you like. This is just how the homeowners have it set up. You have the original buffet over here, which would be great for the holidays. And if you didn't know, closing a home in Arizona, it's pretty easy. If we went into contract on this home this week, you could move in by Christmas. And if you were working with my preferred lender, possibly Thanksgiving, as long as we have a good 11 to 14 day window. Again, a home like this, your range is about $849,000. And as for down payment, you only need about 5% down to get you moved in. So right here, they did do a quartz countertop. They updated the kitchen cabinets. They have this beautiful stainless steel stove with hood, and it's a big boy. It's definitely a good sized stove if you enjoy cooking. And you have a nice freezer right there. And I love this little buffet area, which could be a coffee nook. The shelving. So very pretty, very cute. And again, lots of charm in this one. And you do have this area right here. This is where you would come in from the driveway. You take off your shoes. And this would lead you into one of the bedrooms. So it's a good sized room right here. You have your own entrance to get outside. And you do have views of your backyard. Which again, it's a good size room. Definitely fit a king size bed in here. Plenty of furniture. And this home does have really nice wood floors. This is the other bedroom back here. Again, another good size room with pool view. There's your little guest house right there. How cute is that? So downtown Phoenix, that's where we're at. You are walking distance to the rail, to all the events, to the arts district. So there's always something going on down here. If you're a foodie, we have a lot of different restaurants down here, wine restaurants, bars, nightclubs. It just depends on what your vibe is and what you're looking for. And again, they have home tours. So the neighborhood that we're in, the Story neighborhood, they actually have a home tour coming up. If you want more info on that home tour so you can take a tour through some of the most historic homes in Phoenix, comment below and I'll send you the link. You can get tickets to it, come on through, see what these historic homes have to offer. And again, super charming. And the way they have this set up, you could definitely use this room right here that they have set up as an office, as a bedroom. There is a closet here. And again, very charming home. Definitely one I'd love to show you. Some fun facts of the day too. If you have a historic home, your taxes are definitely a lot lower. You do get a discount as long as you keep all the historic stuff in place in the front. This particular home does have a lot of storage closets. So you got linen right there. And as you can see in the bathroom, there's a lot of cabinetry. And you do have this walk-in pantry area. So lots of good storage here. And as we come back here, you're going to see you have another parking spot. So you can never have enough parking in Phoenix. So you could definitely fit 2 cars up in that front, possibly 3, and another bad boy right here. And the guest house is pretty private. So you could always use that as an office, as a guest house for guests, rent it out maybe, earn some income on it. It's super cute and it's back here by itself, so it has a lot of possibilities. You do have a full kitchen back here and a full bathroom. And again, this is a fun home. So if you're looking for a unique property, something that's not like everyone else's, a little bit of history to it, this could be a great neighborhood for you right here. Again, price point on this one, we are at $849,000. So the guest house has its own patio area. You do have an exit back here, so you can get back there and have it perfectly private if you have tenants. And the lot is a good sized lot, so you're away from your neighbors, you have nice high fences. So this home won't last. If this is a home that interests you and you want more info, you want a private tour, you want to see what that payment would look like, or your down payment, again, 5% down, great time to buy. Interest rates have come down. There's lots of ways for you to use closing costs to help buy that rate down even more, which most consumers don't realize. And if you're looking for a home for the holidays, we can get you in. And a fun fact of the day, let's say you close in mid-December, your first mortgage payment wouldn't be until February 1st. So that will get you through the holidays, give you time to move in, do any kind of updating you want to do. So again, this is Angela Dansereau out here in Phoenix, Arizona. Home tours are my thing. Helping clients relocate to Arizona and relocate within Arizona is also my thing. I help clients sell and buy properties throughout the valley. Please always feel free to ask me questions. I love talking, love chatting, and love helping people. I hope you have an awesome day.